Hi, what's up Kishu inu coin holders? This time Kishu inu condition is very good now. 18.91% the Kishu inu price is increased now in last 3 days, but in last 24 hours my friends the best Kishu inu were paid down. I'm ready to say this my friends, but this is temporary film. Don't worry, I'm 100% sure my friends in upcoming time the Kishu inu price or more and more increasing. So therefore I will notify you to please holders hold down and don't start selling. I hope my friends in upcoming time they will give you a very huge profit. So therefore I will notify you to please holders hold down and don't starting selling. Kishu inu price will be increasing because whether especially at the end of month every coin will pumping up when a holder are starting my friends holding, and they will never fail down. So definitely my friends they will completely holding. So therefore I will notify you to please hold down and don't starting selling my friends. I hope my friends in upcoming time Kishu inu price will completely go to triple, and my friend if you are double to triple this is possible. Alright, so thank you so much Kishu inu coin holder. Please, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and wait for one day more, and after that if they were never starting moving upward then sell it and be safe from more loss. Thanks for watching holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.